Hey guys, welcome to episode 7 of Raw Music. I'm David. Glad you're here. Um, Running a couple days late. I've had a cold for a while, but that's okay. We're here now. Um, so we had our first kind of not significant, but measurable snow over the weekend, and of course it was beautiful at first. Just this serene hush falls over the world, and it's just gorgeous. Love it. And then you got to shovel and you got to clean off your car and you got to walk through the slushy parking lots. And so I got and have always had, kind of a love hate relationship with snow. And a friend of mine very recently said, hey, face the facts. You're in North Idaho unless you move. It's going to happen. You can't escape snow. Um, so why not embrace it? And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually take up skiing, which I think I went on a bunny hill once at Pine Knob in Michigan when I was 11 or 12 or something like that. I never had the opportunity to go again. And yeah, we're going to give it a whirl, see if we can not break a bone. So Lookout Pass, here I come. And if you happen to be on Lookout Pass, probably look out because it might not be pretty for a while. But I'm kind of excited. I think it's going to be a good time. If you're a skier, and you have any beginners tips, by all means, put something in the comments. Speaking of which, the YouTube channel link that's in the comments, so you can always go there and subscribe. Blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Try to do it at least once before I go home to Michigan for Christmas, and then see what January, February, and March bring. And today's song, first of all, life is good. I'm okay. No need for a wellness check after you hear this one. But it's we all have those days when it's just blue and everything's down and nothing's going right. And, this one I wrote not too long ago. Kind of had to channel back a little bit from when life was not by any means all right, and I was feeling this shit. Haven't felt it, super deep in a while, and that's cool. But it was cathartic writing it. It's cathartic playing it. I hope you like it. And this is Ember in the Rain. Days I wish that I could die. Hard to put my finger on just one reason why. They say that the pain's only inside my head. There's days I feel that I'm better dead. And all my dreams are broken, washed away. But I've got no words left to say. When I'm all alone, and I believe it'll never change, but I'm just an ember in the pouring rain. Seems like I'm never gonna find my way. Well, I paint a new picture, colors fade to gray. I'm giving it all I have to give. There's days I can't find the will to live. When I can't dig myself out this hole I'm in. When I'm still paying for some long forgotten sin. When I'm all cried out, when I still can't shake the pain. And I'm just an ember in a pouring rain. Stay safe out there. See you next time.